Alright, now.
One.
So you pide un deseo.
Make a wish. 1, 2, 3, go. No.
Yay!
Go die!
Oh, oops. Oops.
Just that blossom.
Not the candle.
Whoa! That gives Melvin a really cool effect. What?
I just took the sickest pictures ever. Holy crap.
Yeah. This is going to Facebook just so you guys know.
Happy birthday, on fire. You shut up instead. Happy birthday, on fire.
Hello. Hey. Say hi, Facebook.